Hi, this is Donna with Stratus Admissions, and I'm here to talk about something that might seem far off. So if you are thinking about applying to a business school in the fall of 2025, matriculating into 2026, the next 3 to 4 months, you should be thinking about school visits and connecting with schools. Why is that? If you're applying in round one and you only start thinking about doing the school research in, say, June, July, August, schools are not in session. You're not going to be able to talk to current live students. You won't be able to have that opportunity to do your research before you actually have to write your applications that will be due in round one in September. So January, February, March, even into early April, every business school, everybody on the campus who's a student is really trained because they've all had that fall semester and they've had some opportunities. So second years are nearly done, and even the first years now have a lot of experience. So reach out to students, find out if there's coffee chats, find out if there's visits that you can make, set up meetings if you're doing it virtually, but take that time, do your research. Step one, identify who are some of the people you want to talk to. And while you might think the admissions director is the right person, if you dig a little deeper, you might find someone on the admissions team who actually manages the region you're in. And maybe that's an actually even better person because they're going to be closer to your admissions decision. Or there might be someone in a particular club or organization. And that leads to number two, do your homework. Find out who are some of the interesting people, things that are interesting to you. And don't just blanketly say, well, tell me what's interesting about this. You share with them why something that you've learned about is interesting and then follow up to know more. Point 3, follow up. When you have these conversations, perhaps they've told you to reach out to someone else. Follow up and do that. Follow up and thank them for their time. Follow up, and if there's something that you can do for them in terms of maybe sharing some information or making a connection, do that. Fourth, and this is all part of it, be likable. Be someone that is appreciative of the time that students are taking or admissions people are taking. They're very busy and they appreciate when people are, mindful of their time, mindful and appreciative of making the most of that. And then the fifth thing, know when to stop. If you have a half an hour set to meet with someone, don't try to stretch that into an hour. Don't try to call someone, 5 times with no response. It might just be a bad time for that person and move on. So if you keep these things in mind, we at Stratus are here to help you as you sort of think about how to plan for applications in the future. And we'd be happy to talk to you further in a consultation and share more about how we can help you.